Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today, I'm bringing you a beautiful unboxing from FANSELLS. Now, by this time, you all know FANSELLS. That is www.fansells.com. Now, I want to tell you a bit about FANSELLS. FANSELLS is a very, very large shop. They sell our favorite cross stitches, of course they do. They sell the beaded cross stitches and so much more, like diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and they do all the tools and accessories you can dream of. They also do customs. Their customer service is excellent. Their shipping is excellent, and their products are amazing. Excuse the cough, guys. As you know, I am sick, but I'm trying to do this. Alright, so you can, like I said, find everything you want by FANSELLS. They also carry the sewing and crochet series, the paper quilling, 3D string art, jigsaw puzzles. They even do gifts like Christmas, birthday, Easter and Halloween gifts. They do music boxes, linen tote bags, and even miniature dollhouses. Just go and have a look. There's something for everyone. They carry the newest beaded cross stitch, the newest 9 count. They carry everything. So go and have a look. Now, if you buy from FANSELLS, you can save a little bit more with my discount code. Now, my discount code is my name, Sanette, for 5% off. Now, before you do that, they are still running a sale where you can get 8% off. And the code for that is Spring08 to get an extra 8% off your card. That's amazing savings. It's amazing shop. I love FANSELLS. I always have. So, I am going to stop talking because I can't wait to show you what I've got here. Alright, you look at the picture. We're going to open it together. Now, you guys know I love succulents as well. And finally, we got a succulent cross stitch in Spring brand. So I am very excited to open this. Alright, so you've looked for long enough there. Let's have a look here. Let me see. Mine is, I don't know what mine's a 14 count. And 14 count 60 by 75 centimeters. There's a beautiful picture in the front of the box. There's a little barcode with a code, product code and number. Now on the back of the box, they've got some tips and tricks. You can just use Google Translate if you need to read it, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Alright, so let's open this. I can't wait to open this. So let's, ooh, look at these colors. It's pretty. Let's just unpack. What is going on? Why is everyone everywhere? Okay. So there's my box. And that can stay there for a little while. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Let's start here. With our spring, we've got a A4 double-side printed instruction leaflet. That's quite standard. And this is not a booklet. It's 2 A3 pages stick together, crumped together. This is amazing. It's all full stitch. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my golly gosh. You're not going to believe me, but let me just see what... Oh my word, guys. Whew, listen to this. Alright, so we've got full stitch, but is it all mixed? No, it's not mixed. Full stitch. There. Can't be. I just want to see before I lie to you. I'm not lying. Alright, guess how many colors we've got in full stitch? 101. That wants to be done. Yes, yes please. Amazing, and I love this stitch so much. Alright, so another thing I like about spring patterns is their A dot comes in a separate bag. Now why do I like this? because if everything gets wet, everything can dry out. But if this gets wet, this pattern suddenly turns into a counted stitch, right? Now we don't want that. So yeah, this is amazing. 101 colors. I see Mike's inspecting here next to me. It's nice, eh? Alright, so let's see how this canvas looks. Alright, so let's have a look here. I'm sorry guys. Feel a bit better today. I'm not 100. Let's say I'm 70, maybe 60. Let's have a look here. Oh, this is gonna be fabulous. Alright, so it is on a bright white canvas. Excellent quality. Why? Because it's spring. Now, it is serged all the way around for our convenience. Man, I love this thing. Oh, I really love this stitch. Really. Alright, so like I said, 101 colors. Spring brand. Serged all the way around. 280 stitches by 365, and I'm telling you now, the stitching, the printing will be fabulous, and it is. There's nothing wrong with this. It is excellent. Look at this. Just wanna do it like you. This is really pretty, man. Look how crisp. The thing with their printing, it's crisp. Fantastic, right? Ooh. Everything about this is quality. I love it. It's absolutely amazing. Lily, this is great. Thank you. This is an amazing product. Wow. Alright, so let me show you one more time and then I will get over to all the colors. Yo. Now I'm impressed. This is beautiful. What's the top and what's the bottom? I don't know. I think you choose. But the big pink one. So this will be basically the top. Yeah, there. Look at that. Oh my stitches soul. No, very good. I really like this. Really like this. Alright. Excuse me guys. This illness in middle of summer, right? Right, so let's look here. Oh wow. Alright, so it is Egyptian cotton, which is a superior floss. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 needles, 4 spring needles. Do not mix your spring needles with any other needle. If you want to know why, try a spring needle and work with your other needle. They're different and they're good. They're very good. Okay, so we're gonna, oh look, yeah, there's my favorite purple. Oh, this is a beautiful kit. Alright, so let's do this because I'm going to stare at it the whole night. I think it's amazing. 1, 2, 30. Really pretty. 1, 2, 30. Really pretty. 31 to 60. Look at the colors, guys. And Egyptian cotton. It is fabulous. Then we've got 61 to 90. Nice. Very nice indeed. Just want to pack them like this so when I show you it's good. And then we've got our 91 to 101 and it's beautiful. This is going to be such a nice stitch. It's going to be colorful. It's going to be beautiful. If you're a collector like me, this is one for the books, to be honest with you. One for the books. Tell me what you think in the comments. Look at that. Wow. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You help me out a lot and you make me motivated to make more videos like this for you. My English was corrupted there, sorry. Also hit the like button and tell me what you think of the stitch, please, in the comments. I'll get back to you. Now while I pack this up, I want to just thank FANSELLS. Lily, this is amazing. Wowzers. Wow. Thank you so much. Guys, this is video 1 of 2. And then, guess who I'm going to speak to now? I want to speak to you guys. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You guys do mean the world to me. I do make these videos especially for you. So, thank you. I appreciate you. Till next time then, guys. Lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.